Hey again, YouTube. So I'm back. I finished modifying these pieces with the Milliput putty. So I have all three ready to go. I sanded them down a little bit. And I'm gonna put the puzzle back together and see how it all works. Let's see. Just have to get all three pegs back in. Alright, so we have our pegs back in. Then screws, except we have to put washers on the screws. So we have two washers that go between the puzzle and in the bottom plastic piece. Like that. And we repeat. All right. Puzzle is reassembled. I'll probably go back through that rubber band and tighten all these up just to make sure they're all similar. But anyway, so we can test it out. So this far right side are the pieces I switched out, and you can see they now move like I intended, and that's awesome. So doesn't matter how we're holding the puzzle, it just all moves. So this puzzle is fixed successfully. Only took one try. Hopefully no other problems will come up. I will let you know if I ever actually solve it, but for now I would, if you actually pick this puzzle up yourself anywhere, I would recommend doing something similar, and let me know if you find a better way to repair it. So thanks again for watching the totally unnecessary GoPro video with me, and see you next time. Bye.